controversy has surfaced in Karnataka's Udupi district over allegations that Deputy Commissioner Swaroopa displayed an RSS flag during the Paryaya religious procession held on January 18th. The Udupi District Congress Committee has demanded strict action against Deputy Commissioner, accusing her of violating service conduct rules and undermining the constitutional principle of secularism. According to the Congress, the Deputy Commissioner was seen holding an RSS flag during the early morning procession from Jodukate to Sri Krishna Math. The party further alleges that the flag was handed to her by BJP MLA Yashpal Suvarna and has called for a formal inquiry into the incident. The Bharatiya Janata Party has strongly denied the allegations. BJP leaders stated that the saffron or Bhagwa flag is a sacred Hindu symbol and an integral part of the centuries-old Paryaya Mahotsav tradition. They accused the Congress of deliberately targeting Hindu customs and indulging in vote bank politics. Responding to the controversy, Deputy Commissioner Swaroopa clarified that her presence at the event was strictly in her official capacity. She stated that she inaugurated the Pura Parvesh program and participated in related rituals as part of her responsibilities as the administrator of the Udupi City Municipal Council. She categorically denied the political intent behind her participation. The issue has now triggered sharp political reactions, adding a new dimension to the ongoing debate over religion, administration, and public office in the state.